Hi, hello. This is your Pranamba Siksha channel. Today we are going to see about third standard science, term second, unit second. Lesson name is water. Part 2 video. Why should we say water? Yes, only 3% of water in the entire earth is fresh water. Water is precious, so we should never waste water. Some methods to prevent wastage of water. Never allow water to overflow from buckets. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not under running tap water. Use a sprinkler to water the garden. Turn off the tap after each use. Always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Use leftover water in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Conservation of water bodies. All the water that we get comes from rain. When it rains, some water flows over the ground, giving rise to streams and rivers. Some water gets collected in low-lying areas such as ponds and lakes. The flow of river is blocked by building a dam across it. Some rainwater seeps into the ground as underground water. Lake. It is a large area filled with water surrounded by land. It is usually a part of a river or some other water source. Pond. A pond is a body of stagnant water, either natural or artificial. It is smaller than a lake. Reservoirs. These are built in areas of low rainfall or in areas where there is no major river. Most of reservoirs are built using stones. Satyamurthy Reservoir is located at Tiruvallur district in Pundi village. Tanks. A water tank is a container for storing water for our daily use. Methods to conserve water bodies. Deepening of ponds and lakes. Plant trees at the bank of the lake and pond. Reduce water pollution. Avoid digging too many wells in a region. Problems caused due to stagnation of water. Stagnant water can become a breeding ground for the mosquitoes that transmit diseases. Malaria and dengue fever are the main dangers of stagnant water. Waterborne diseases such as cholera, dysentery, typhoid are caused by drinking unclean water. Symptoms of dengue fever: severe headache, rashes on the arms and the legs, extreme tiredness, sudden onset of fever that lasts 3 to 7 days. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like and comment this channel. Thank you.